Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates in my channel for every sector, government sector, private sector, engineering sector as well as PSU jobs. If you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe my channel because you will get daily career guidance as well as job notification, interview tips from our channel. So before starting this video, if you have not subscribed, click on subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that you will receive all the latest notification. So today's job notification has come from Reliance Jio. They are hiring freshers. It is a freshers recruitment 2021, hiring graduate engineer trainee position. BE Tech can apply for this job. So all the details we will discuss in this video. Stay tuned with us. Watch the video till end. So Reliance Jio has published their notification on 23rd December. They are hiring freshers 2021. So you can see BE Tech can apply for this job. Experience requirement is fresher. Functional and business area will be engineering and technology. Your working location will be Mumbai, Maharashtra. Your responsibility will be design, plan, engineer end-to-end international network, coordinate with device product teams to development of the support 4G, 3G, 2G roaming capability, validate technical requirements, design for enabling global roaming that includes the authentication, authorization, accounting, billing, provisioning, performance management, etc. in a seamless manner. Okay. You have to support the preparation of technical level proposals for new network deployment, upgrades, investment with business unit inputs, executive validation of service providers, capabilities in terms of performance, coverage, etc., and identify root cause issues and make recommendation for improvement. The skills and competencies they are asking for: knowledge of 4G, 3G, 2G network, knowledge of network deployment, communication skills in written and verbal in English, analytical skills, team player, business acumen. So if you're interested, you need to click on apply link. The salary must be minimum 3 LPA to 6 LPA. So it can vary, and also incentives are there. So it's a very good opportunity to all of you, all the freshers. So it is the career website of Geo. You can see graduate engineer trainee position and job ID is 627956110. So you can once again go through the notification from here. So if you are interested, then click on apply now. So if you are a registered candidate, then you can log in with your email and password. If you are a new user, click on new user. Then it will be redirected to the create profile page or the registration form. You need to create your profile with your email address, password, first name, last name, date of birth, country and phone number. Then you will click on confirm. Your email ID will be registered with Geo. So that is the registration process. Then you have to again log into your account and apply for the graduate engineer trainee position job. So this is the job notification for Geo. They are hiring graduate engineer. We have discussed in detail in this video. If you have any doubt, please share your doubt in comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends because this will be beneficial for them. Thanks for your patience. Thanks for watching this video. Take care guys. Have a great day. Bye.